Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you can access account recovery and that critical data is saved. Sign in to your Microsoft account now and verify alternate email or phone are current. This prevents lockout during deletion. Once signed in, check OneDrive, Outlook folders, and export any mail or contacts you need. Make sure any subscriptions tied to this account are noted so you can cancel or transfer them before proceeding. This avoids surprises once the account is closed. With backup complete, navigate to the account closure flow in your Microsoft account settings. Once you locate Close Your Account, follow the checklist. Cancel subscriptions, remove payment methods, and sign out linked devices to prevent reactivation. Confirm any admin roles or shared files are reassigned because deletion affects access for others. Take your time reviewing the retention period and recovery window Microsoft provides. This explains how long you can restore the account if you change your mind. Now confirm closure. Choose a reason, check all required boxes, and click Close Account to schedule deletion. Once done, the account enters a recovery window. Make sure you understand how long you have to restore it and what triggers restoration. If you cannot complete verification or you lose access before closure, use the account recovery form or contact Microsoft support for identity verification. Keep proof like billing info handy. One key tip: if emails won't export, temporarily reconnect the account to an email client to pull messages before finalizing closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.